So, hi, my name is Sonam Devadiga. I'm from India originally. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from India, and then currently I just completed my master's in industrial and systems engineering from Virginia Tech.
Can you please tell us about your new job, your new employer?
Yeah, sure. So this I got a job as an assistant buyer in supply chain and procurement department, and the employer is Fluence Energy. So it is a joint venture between AES and Siemens, and it's in Virginia. They make lithium-ion batteries. They are a very fast-growing company. Uh, because before even they started, they were really like on top of their game, a market leader, and yeah, after 2.5 years of this joint venture, they are growing very rapidly in energy and renewables. And my job will be in the supply chain operations department, where I will be doing all assisting in the vendor management part of the company, also improving the processes which are they have in within their organization, where I get to use my data analysis skills as well, and also my industrial engineering and the previous experience in manufacturing will come in play when I will interact with vendors and all the different entities within the organization to keep the things moving.
That's so exciting,
Thank you.
right? That
Yeah.
is so exciting. It's a great company, a global company, and
Yeah.
it's the role that you will have lots of opportunity to grow. It's
Yes.
a challenging
Yes.
role, one of these challenging roles, right? Can we step back a little bit? Because I would like you to share with our friends who are listening to our session right now. What made you decide to join my program, ICOA Talent Platform?
Yes. So I joined ICRA in April, I think. So April or May, like where I think I was around a month away from my graduation and
Mhm.
something like that.
Right.
And then
You're the class of 2020, May
yes,
graduate. Mm-hmm.
yes,
Yes.
absolutely. And I came across, I knew like I wanted to network online or through LinkedIn, but I never knew what is the right format. Or I came across this post of Shazman, and I just got in contact with him, and he was all praise about the ICAWay, and he gave me a contact. And again, um, at that point I was in my job search, but I was not getting the results that I wanted. So I was looking at ways to improve myself and understand what can be done better in a better way. And I got a really good feedback from Shazman, and then I talked to Yukwan, and I really liked the way you connected with me and the kind of insights you gave, and you were also very fast, like throughout our conversation, like any question I had, you were very open to answering them. So overall, I guess I should again invest. I have always believed that one should invest in oneself in order to like upskill, or it can be anything. And I think this is one thing which is not taught in school. How do you network, like the job search, and it's like the overall development of your personality. So I thought this is a good opportunity for me, and that's why I decided to join the program.
Yes.
Yes.
And you know, you are one of the 6 members. This month, just in July, there are altogether 6 members of us who
Yeah,
landed our new jobs.
absolutely.
And
It's
we
so
are all
amazing.
female.
Yeah, what a
Female STEM
coincidence.
field. That is
Yes,
amazing. That is
yes.
so amazing. I'm so proud of you. So,
Yeah.
can you talk about the structure that you really like from our training program, ICOA Talent Platform?
Okay. So, yeah, of course. So, firstly, the first 1 hour interview that we had just when I joined, and you chalked down the entire timeline, that was amazing. It
Our
just
first
gave,
assessment and game plan, right? A
yes,
one-on-one
yes.
meeting. Hmm.
Yeah, so that just helped me to understand like where I have to start and how I have to proceed with things. And then actually when I started all the modules, it's very easy, it's very interactive. Like anyone in these times, like everything is going remote, and it's this program is already remote, and it gives you so many good tools. I think all the kind of templates which you have in them, the interviews you have of the real people who have gone through these steps and gained some experience, if then it's very well structured, like from the very beginning, where this you have to first do the networking, and then your resume, and then the job search, the salary negotiation part. Everything is very well defined, and there are like in a concise way, you are giving away a lot of valuable information. It's a very comprehensive personal branding as well as networking, everything. It's a very good package, I would say. Yeah, and I'd say again about the community as well, because even that is very helpful. Because you are with people who are motivated as you are, as invested in their development as you are. It might not be the case, especially in these times when there are like such, like the market is not good, or you're not there so many jobs. Still, to have people around you who are like motivated is good to
Mhm.
for your personal growth. So that is the kind of community you get when you are with the ICAV, platform. You get to meet such people, and that also is kind of a boost. So again, in the long term, it's you learn from each other also. Even that's a good part of being part of this kind of platform. Yeah.
That's amazing to hear. Definitely, we are an empowering community, right, for international students. And when
Absolutely.
you get us to become a member, we have our weekly phone call,
Yeah.
and we got a chance to exchange our experience, right?
Yeah.
Share our obstacles, share our key milestones. Can you please talk about the skills that you have learned from the ICEWay talent platform that have helped you land this amazing job?
Yeah, I think there's so many of them. Just starting first from how to network with people you don't know, how to reach out to them. The platform teaches you to be very genuine, not have like anything fake. So you want to reach out to somebody because you want to learn from that person, understand how they have been got to that level. So that is very nice thing that I learned, how like not there's no need for you to be fake to actually be in the job market. You can be genuinely interested, and that is the one thing. Secondly, the during the job process, once you the main, of course, the resume, how to build your resume, because you how to see what is the target job that you want, and then how do you build the skills in your resume, and your resume should be a reflection of that I learned. Then third part would be during the interview process, like from the beginning to the very end, what all steps you need to follow. If it's the screening interview, how do you introduce yourself? If it's with the hiring manager, how do you talk with them? Case studies, how it's done. Again, having how do you have informational calls with people during interviews? And I think the salary negotiation part also so important.
Yes.
Yeah, I think maybe that's been so valuable,
Yeah,
especially yeah, I've learned all of these things. Yeah.
I'm so glad, and it works out for you very well because you have implemented our
Yes.
strategy,
Yes.
and at the end to seal the deal with the negotiation.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
maybe so many students out there when they get the job offer, they don't want to negotiate. They feel like, oh my God, okay, I got a job offer, I have to
Yeah.
grab it right away. But what happened when you really came back to them and negotiated with them?
Yeah. I mean, it was amazing. It was again thanks to your mentorship and like being aware that firstly you have to negotiate no matter what. Then of course, how do you do it? Like do some research, talk to other people, get the numbers. I went back to them and said, with all of these things that I know, I would get like to have X plus some amount, like the Y amount I asked for them. And again, I also asked them, like, apart from the base salary, what are the other things you can negotiate?
Mm-hmm.
Again, something which was taught in the in the module. So that gave me a lot of things, like maybe the signing bonus or the base salary and everything. And they were again very quick to get back to me. It was a tricky situation. I had never done this before, so I was very nervous. But then
Mm-hmm.
I talked to you as well, and you advised me like what are different strategies I can use. But things worked out in the end, and they accepted what I was asking them for, and yeah, things worked out. Or else I would have been stuck with such low profit. Now I have like something which I'm more happy and satisfied with, which is yeah, I'm so happy for that.